In this lecture, we're going to talk about TV audience measurement. In TV audience measurement, very important part of marketing, very important part of advertising, we're going to look at a couple of things. In our formula here, we have ratings. We all hear about TV ratings, the Nielsen ratings, and so forth. So we're going to talk about ratings. A rating is the TVs tuned into our program divided by the total TVs in the market. That gives us a rating for the particular show that we're interested in talking about. The share, another very, very important thing, is total TVs in the market, total TVs turned into the program divided by total households with TV. So we're looking at two different numbers. We're using the top number is the same, the number of people tuned in, number of TVs tuned into our program, divided by the total TVs in the market or the total households viewing TV. Now, if we go over here and look at our assumptions again, we assume that there are 800,000 households with televisions in the market that we're interested in. We assume today that 650,000 have their TVs turned on while our program is running. And we assume that it's not a big time program, it's probably a cable program, and 35,000 people are tuned into our program. So we take this information and we put it into our models. So for ratings, we take the total TVs tuned into the program, and we have 35,000 tuned into the program. And that's in a rating. It's also down here in share, so we'll go ahead and put it in both equations. We have our 35,000, that's the people tuned into our program. We divide the top one by the total TVs in the market, and we have 800,000 televisions in our market. So we divide that, 800,000 in there, and we'll come up with the rating. And then we're going to divide to get the share, we're going to divide by the total TVs using total households using TV. And that's a fewer number, 650,000. When we do the math, we discover that our rating is 4.4. And we also discover that our share is 5.4. So rating is based on all the TVs out there. Share is based on the number of TVs that are actually turned on. So what's happening is we're saying that about 95% of the people are not watching our program. 5.4% indeed are watching our program. These are the numbers that advertising scales are based on, ratings and share.